In a jungle where conformity reigns, their vibrant colors and unconventional appearances set them apart from all other creatures. A sense of belonging blossoms within each of them as they discover their shared predicament and the potential for strength in their diversity. The weight of others' doubts and mockery threatens to crush their spirit, but they stand tall, determined to prove themselves. Together they combine their unique qualities, forging a bond that no criticism can break. As the rain pelts down, their trust in one another only grows stronger, giving them the resilience to weather any storm. Unaware of the power that lies within the blue lion, red elephant, and green zebra, their opponents charge, blind to the strength that blooms from unity. A harmonious symphony of strength and cunning envelops the jungle as they fend off their attackers. The once dismissed trio becomes a force to be reckoned with. The blue lion, red elephant, and green zebra command the attention of all, inspiring a newfound understanding that unity and acceptance can triumph over prejudice. The blue lion, red elephant, and green zebra stand alongside their newfound allies, united in their mission to foster acceptance, forever changing the landscape of the jungle. A new era dawns as the jungle becomes a sanctuary, where every inhabitant is free to be their authentic self, thanks to the brave trio who sought unity in diversity. With unwavering confidence and a fierce devotion to acceptance, they stand as a testament that strength lies not in conformity, but in embracing what sets us apart. In their wake, divisions crumble and understanding flourishes, forever transforming the jungle into a tapestry of colors, where the blue lion, red elephant, and green zebra are celebrated as the catalysts of change.